Welcome to Balaji Industries, manufacturer and supplier of cabinet and glass door handles. The company was established in 2004. At Rajkot, latest technologies and tools make us unique in the industry. Ethical business practices, precise designs, and long service life make us the first choice of our clients. We offer a splendid range of main door, cabinet, and designer handles. Our modern, zinc, and aluminum door handles are in huge demand across the global markets. We offer SS door handles and doorknob locks that are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. Our organization specializes in manufacturing qualitative range of sliding doors and front screw, bath accessories and curtain brackets offered by us are available at affordable rates in the market. We also provide door handles and sliding doors for offices that are well known for their durability. To get more information, log on at www.balajiindustriesindia.co.in.